The man say a gun bag. Khago, him say a gun bag. Him say you not fire no shot. Him say you not bad. Him say member say you got church panas. I joke, him say them something there. Rude. Yo. What is up, guys? Records came here with another reaction. Rude. Today, guys, we're here with Octane. This song for Khago. I dance. Runner Hide it name. Runner Hide. Octane Runner Hide for Khago this. So, it's 2:30 in the morning. Just forward off of the road. Just go share a party. And just forward back in. So, my voice probably gone certain way. Cause I don't know. The entertainment was up. So, I jump in the one. I say, I now got my bed. When I was in the party, I refresh YouTube and I see it and I say, all right, as we're reaching. So we're here. We're reaching. So we're here. Rude. Let's go, Octane. Me here with SMG. Bombo clot. Octane gone down pande. So it look like Octane spot Khago's strategy and I use it. With the all rhythm them and that rhythm name. We sang the pan rhythm. Staka sensi minya growing in my backyard. Yeah, that sang the pan it.
Pussy I go get can you take bribery? And then when me come them they beside me. We have the 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 we sing like Tyrus Riley.
The pussy I got dead. Can you take bribery? You see me? So he must say Khago take bribe. What kind of bribe take Khago?
Me gun them they beside me. We have the 𝐑𝐿𝐶𝐿 we sing like Tyrus Riley. Chago can't bad me up when you're sleeping on nighty.
Chago can't bad me up when you're sleeping on nighty. He? Rude.
And then when me gun them they beside me. We have the 𝐑𝐿𝐶𝐿 we sing like Tyrus Riley. Chago can't bad me up when you're sleeping on nighty. All when you run and go under the cellar. Still I look for you, but shut you with the 𝐑𝐿𝐶𝐿.
Bombo clot. When you run and go hide under the cellar, me still I look for you with the 𝐑𝐿𝐶𝐿. Yo, by the sound of things, two artists are go at it. I'm not going to say head to it, because you don't know why. See me? But two artists are go at it, and they clash nice. Me glad say the artist them consistent and them put out work. Me glad say the artist now put up no white flag. Rude. Let's go.
Still I look for you, but shut you with the 𝐑𝐿𝐶𝐿. Wicked and cool gangster, real old gorilla. Oh my badness, no sweet, this no blood clot vanilla. This the pattern, no my crime time. Them find you dead, them a report you on prime time.
Hear the mix.
The pattern, no my crime time. Them find you dead, them a report you on prime time.
Prime time news, I'm going to report you. So them find your body. You go on prime time news, you're dead, Khago. That's what the G said. Rude.
The pattern no my crime time. Them find you dead, them a report you on prime time. Incha we have you so a boss and no bye. Shut out your blood clot face, Chago bye.
Man say you are Incha we have you so brother. And a one pop, and a homemade gun this, and a pie, and a slingshot, and a pop gun, and a bingy this. Incha we have boss so wrapping it up. Rude.
A boss and no bye. Shut out your blood clot face, Chago bye. Fuck face you no bad like me left toe.
Rude. That is actually rude. The man say fuck face. Obviously I Khago in my address. Fuck face. You no bad like my left toe. Let alone my right toe. Rude.
Yes, Chago bye. Fuck face you no bad like me left toe. From your this alpha, you know what that road. In the war, you are the pawn on the chessboard.
In the war, you are the pawn on the chessboard. So you say, yeah.
You know what that road. In the war, you are the pawn on the chessboard. Bust your blood clot, get your brains are exposed. No bed force. All when you run and go hide under this.
Hold up, me just hear that mix. Hold up.
Brains are exposed. No bed force. All when you run.
What was that? Why is that? Why is that in the song? Is that supposed to be in the song?
Your blood clot, yet your brains are exposed. No pet force. All when you run and go hide under the cellar.
Weird.
Still I look for you, but shut you with the Oscar. Wicked and cold gangster, real old gorilla. Oh my badness, not sweet, this no blood clot vanilla. All when you run and go hide under the cellar. Still I look for you, but shut you with the Oscar. Wicked and cold gangster, real old gorilla. Oh my badness, not sweet, this no blood clot vanilla. I agree, read the rifle, work, this a dark.
Alright. Flow change up and now. Rifle work, this a dirt. Alright, let's go. Double rhymes, let's go.
This no blood clot vanilla. I agree, read the rifle, work, this a dark. Come me could be able to the murder, never nurture.
Dirt. Work, murder, nurture. Alright, double rhymes. Alright, nice. Rude. Alright, acting, alright.
Oh my badness, no sweet, this no blood clot vanilla. I agree, read the rifle, work, this a dark. Come me could be able to the murder, never nurture. Kill khago, him a pervert, madden ass.
So in a khago song where him a say yo Octane always a mention him daughter like you're a pervert. So basically Octane I say yo I'm to you kill khago. Him a pervert. That's rude.
Murder, never nurture. Kill khago, him a pervert, madden ass. Have a chat in occupation, back a words. But take this punk and you're this little queer. Walk with country post, but my one make it disappear.
So the man I say, yo, FLA give you gun khago for your pose like 666. I know damn no game this. My gun make people disappear while you are pose with your one. You understand? See, yeah, that's what the G say. The man say a gun bag. Khago him say a gun bag. Him say you not fire no shot. Him say you not bad. Him say member say you got church panas. I joke, him say them something there. Rude. Let's go.
Madden ass, have a chat in occupation, back a words. But take this punk and you're this little queer. Walk with country post, but my one make it disappear. Bullet the hammer, no pussy, nothing can heal. Boy dead cause him of him should no interfere. We when they road we connected like interface.
The man say khago too enough, him shouldn't interfere. Remember say khago say 10 years of beef here cooking a brother, so 10 years khago wait on this energy, so.
Of him should no interfere. We when they road we connected like interface. Before Insta days, cool like winter blaze. But khago body soft like soda ginger beer.
The man say khago's badness soft like soft drinks, like soda, like ginger beer. Yeah, like bigger. Yeah, like Big Joe bag juice, like Carl's bag juice. The man say khago badness soft juice, soft drinks. Yeah.
But khago body soft like soda ginger beer. All when you run and go hide under the cellar. Still I look for you, but shut you with the Oscar. Wicked and cold gangster, real old gorilla. Oh my badness, not sweet, this no blood clot vanilla. All when you run and go hide under the cellar. Still I look for you, but shut you with the Oscar. Wicked and cold gangster, real old gorilla. Oh my badness, not sweet, this no blood clot vanilla.
Rude. So me like the facts about artists. I go back to them rhythm, yeah. The original dancehall is shown in this clash, and we like it. I just want to say both artists, thank you guys for giving us the entertainment that the business needed. The business needed this entertainment, and ono give it. So big up on yourself. The song never dropped fast, so that is the reason why I took the time out before I got my bed. No, if I react to that 1 year before, because I will probably wake up tomorrow and see 1,000,001 song. Anyway, back to the song. Octane, solid song. I'm not here to bash or to say anything negative. I'm just here to react. So that is what the comment section is for. You see me? That is what the comment section is for. So big up on yourself. Both artists, thanks again. The song bad, old school rhythm them bad. I start a Cincinnati, growing in my backyard. Yeah. So that one a bad. Yeah. Dancehall nice again. You see me? Anyway, um, this one I'm gonna leave that one, yeah. Hope you enjoy the reaction, yeah. And I will see you guys on the next one. For real, for real. Rude. Rude.